on the show a couple weeks ago. What a little sweetheart she is. Beautiful. If you missed my interview with Cher, check it out on demand at weekendthrowdown.com. Here's her new song, With Your Love.